Hello guys, I hope you're quite well. These are my t-shirt template and here these are in PSD format. Just wait for it to be open and you can easily download from the link in the description. And here this is t-shirt site, completely customizable. You can see from here. I know you can do this, and just me open the other. And here this is the background. You can see now here other format, other t-shirt format in PSD format. You can see this is the back and the shirt, and again customize from here. You can completely customize shading. I know you can do this, and here are other sides of the shirt. You can see here this is the front, completely customizable from here, and here is other, and there is a whole different shirt. Here completely customizable here from here. You can easily download this from the link in the description. Just click on this link, and here from here just click on download now, and then click download anyway. It will start download. This is 72 MB file and you can download from here. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this data is quite useful for you. Take care.